Time for the next setup. Pulling out the VTG turbos and going with the G3770s with billet intake manifold, Cyvex, and all the other goodies. Finally, let it begin. Alright, took me about half an hour to take everything off. Most of it sitting over there. Going to take the intercoolers off and the turbos off. They'll be up for sale soon. Okay, got one side done. Intercooler, turbo out. Time for a little ice cream break. All finished. Exhaust manifold is out, turbos are out, everything is sitting over there. We'll start the fabbing tomorrow.